Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to favorite someone on Muzz app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Once you do that, on your screen, you can see options like Marriage, Explore, Chat and Menu. You can find people from Explore or Marriage. All you have to do is tap on their profile and scroll down. Once you scroll down to the end, on the bottom of your screen, you can see three options like Favorite, Block and Report. Tap on that favorite button. Once you do that, you can find them under Explore and Favorited. And guys, that's it. That's how you favorite someone on Muzz app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.